Welcome to digital learning platform of Shri Guru Sudhindra College, course BCA second semester, subject numerical, and the topic is numerical differentiation. First of all, what is numerical differentiation? Suppose y0, y1, y2 so on up to yn are the values of an unknown function. So let it be y is equals to f of x corresponding to the values x0, x1 so on up to xn of x. The process of computing f dash of x, f double dash of x, f triple dash of x, etc. at some particular values of the independent variable x. So this process is known as numerical differentiation. That is nothing but to find the derivative of the function at a particular value of x. Next is formula for derivative. In that case 1, the given values of x are equidistant and the given x equals to xp at which the derivative is required is near to x0, we use Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. So we know that f of xp is equals to f of x0 plus ph, that is y0 plus p delta y0 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y0 plus so on. Let it be equation 1. So multiply here p. So p into p, that is p square, minus p into 1, that is minus p, plus again same thing. Now differentiate the equation with respect to p. We get f dash of xp equals to f dash of x0 plus ph into h, because the derivative of ph is equals to h. That's equals to y0 plus 2p minus 1 into delta square y0 divided by 2 factorial plus 3p square minus 6p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y0 plus so on. Let it be equation 2. Again differentiate with respect to with respect to p. We get f double dash of xp is equals to f double dash of x0 plus ph into h square. That's equals to delta square y0 plus 6p minus 6 divided by 3 factorial delta cube y0 plus so on. Let it be equation 3. Now equation 2 and 3 can be written as dy by dx is equals to dy by dx at x equals to xp is equals to f dash of xb, that's equals to 1 by h into delta y0 plus 2p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square y0 plus 3p square minus 6p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube y0 plus 4p square minus 18p 4p cube minus 18p square plus 22p minus 6 divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power 4 y0 plus so on. So let it be equation A. Now equation 3 will be d square y by dx square at x equals to xp, that's equals to f double dash of xp, that is 1 by h square into delta square y0 plus p minus 1 delta cube y0 plus 12p square minus 36p plus 22 divided by 4 factorial into delta to the power 4 y0 plus so on. Let it be equation B, where p is equals to xp minus x0 divided by h. So this is the method to find the, or this is the formula to find the derivative using Newton's forward difference interpolation formula. Now case 2. So case 2 is using the Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. So using Newton's backward interpolation formula, we can find the derivative of the given function. So that is the formula is dy by dx at x equals to xp, that's equals to f dash of xp, that is 1 by h into del yn plus 2p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square yn plus 3p square plus 6p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube yn plus 4p cube plus 18p square plus 22p plus 6 divided by 4 factorial into del to the power 4 yn plus so on. Let it be equation C. Next is double derivative. So d square y divided by dx square at x equals to xp, that's equals to f double dash of xp, that's equals to 1 by h square into del square yn plus p plus 1 into del cube yn plus 12p square plus 36p plus 12 divided by 4 factorial into del to the power 4 yn plus so on. Let it be equation D, where p is equals to xp minus xn divided by h. So this is the formula to find the derivative using Newton's backward difference interpolation formula. Next is working rule to find the derivative. First one, the given values of x equals to xp is approximately equated to x plus x0 plus ph, where xp is nearer to x0, or xn plus ph, where xp is nearer to xn. Second procedure, the values of the finite differences along with the values of p is substituted into the relevant results equations A, B, C, D obtained on differentiating the interpolation formula. And finally, the same procedure is adopted for finding the higher order derivatives. Thank you.